There's a big piece.
Where's Rock? Where's Rocco? What did Marcus find?
He's down. It looks like a tree house, though. Look.
Call Rocco.
I don't think I can get it.
Get him, Rocco. Get him. Get him, Rock. Get him, Rock. Get him. Rock.
This is comfy.
Here he comes. He's gonna get you. Good boy. Get him, Rock.
Rocco, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get over there. Yeah, but look up there. There's squirrel poop up there.
That's what Rocco's trying to get.
Look at Rocco! Arnold, look at Rocco!
Come on, Rock.
He just took like a 3-foot rock, I think. Okay,
Get up there, boy. Oh, now he's gonna get you.
No,
Now he's gonna get you.
Oh,
Get him,
no,
Rock.
no.
Get him, Rock. Rock-a-doo! All right, Rock.
It's okay. It's okay. He's trying to help me get out. Yeah.
Okay, good going.
Go. I need to go back.
Good boy.